Model, 67 plate Ford Transit 310 spares OR repairs engine repair Ulez Euro 6. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 358965. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 psa. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average. Runs with a rattle oil light on the dash. Needs engine repair or replacement. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, reversing camera, parking sensors, air con, cruise control, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.